what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Backyard Fireworks. Today we have a fun video. We're going to be lighting one of each of the biggest fireworks. We're going to be lighting one of each section. What I mean by each section is like a Roman candle, 200 gram and 500 gram. So the first one we're going to have is actually some artillery shells. These are really loud. There's not much color, which I know some people don't like color, but don't worry. All these basically have color. So the next one we have is a Roman candle. And this is actually like a 500 gram Roman candle. Basically, it is really cool. The breaks in this are just fantastic. The next one we have is the big 500 gram, or the 200 gram, excuse me. It's not big, but boy, does it pack a punch. It's a 25 shot cake, and it's really good. The next one is a 350 gram cake that I got. It's called Dory Fishing in the Sea. It's 19 shots, and I got all these from a firework tent, if you guys are all wondering. Besides this, I got this from the Fireworks Superstore, but this is a 350 gram. This one is kind of random. I actually really don't know what this does. It's a 100 shot cake. I'm assuming it's 500 grams, but I'm not quite sure. But we'll see what this does. I honestly have no idea what to expect from this one. And the big fountain that we got is a Brothers fountain called Jumbo Shell Fountain, and I've had this for a long time. I have just been eager to light this off. And then the last one we have is a 100 shot cake. It's just absolutely huge. It's called Smoking Hot. And this one's going to be really cool, so make sure you stay to the end and watch that, because I know what that does, and it's got really nice effects. So this is what we're going to be lighting today, and we're going to wait till it gets dark, and we're going to light all these off. Okay, we're going to start with these budget shells, and then we're going to wait for it to get dark to light those colorful ones. But here goes the budget shell. Uh-oh, watch out. Okay, well that was definitely a low breaker, as I like to call it, but here goes another one. Oh, those are still pretty loud. Okay, to start things off tonight, we're going to go with this mega Roman candle. Let's see what this thing does. Pretty sure it's like a 500 gram. Uh-oh. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or what. Interesting. I guess it is supposed to do that. I was told it was going to have big breaks, but that was still really pretty. I just thought it was going to explode on the ground, but I guess not. I'm really curious why it didn't have any breaks, because I was told they were supposed to. But we'll see. I do know this cake's going to be epic, though, so I am pumped for this. That was still super pretty effects, though. I'm downplaying it, which I shouldn't be. But here goes this universal cake. 25 shots. Got this at a firework tent near me in Missouri. That was very good. Yeah, that was a real solid kick. Universal never disappoints. Those breaks were super pretty. Can't wait to shoot this Dory. Well, I've been staring at this cake for so long, wanting to light it. This might be super loud and just huge salutes, but we're gonna find out right now. Hopefully it has some color though, like I mentioned earlier. Interesting. Well, that's cool. That's really cool. that was really pretty. I was not expecting it to do that at all, to be honest. Okay, I gotta be honest. I did not expect it to do that at all. I don't want to say I'm disappointed. However, I'm a little disappointed. It was still super pretty. It's still a good cake. Just not quite what I was expecting. But the next 3 are going to be fantastic. Let's see here. Where's this fuse? Here goes this big old fountain. Hit the tube. That's funny. You can hear it in the tube. That's really funny. Oh, that's cool. That fountain was wild. Yeah, that cake was, or not cake, excuse me. That fountain was real epic. Those big old fountains are so worth it. Here goes a 100-shot Julie's Revenge Strike Back. You know, I have no idea what to expect. To be completely honest, I'd be lying if I say it didn't look a little sketchy. Just because it's like kind of not the straightest cake, but it's 100 shots. But we're gonna see what this does. Okay. Nice. Wow, that was nice. That was good stuff. I did not expect it to be like that, especially for the price I got it at. Okay, I did not expect it to do that. That was a really good cake. I'm gonna flip that over on its back side, and we're gonna throw it in right there between those bricks. We're gonna light this 100-shot one off here. This one should be even bigger than the last. Okay, now this cake should be probably twice as good as that last one. Now that was a fast-moving cake if I've ever seen one. Okay, well that cake was epic. If you guys enjoyed that video, want to see more videos like this, please let me know and hit me up in the comments because I can love doing them. Sorry, my flashlight died, but if you guys want to see more videos like that, please give me a like and subscribe. If you want to see more cakes like that, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any. And it's free. You can always change your mind later. Thanks, guys. Hope everyone has a great day. And yeah, be safe out there, guys. Peace.